goodness. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my gosh, he flew right up to me. Oh my gosh, and I'm filming. Oh my gosh. He flew right up over here. Oh my gosh, I thought he was gonna land on me. Betty. Faith. Mom. David. Faith. Faith. Faith, I miss you. I miss you, Faith. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. I don't want to go inside. Oh my goodness. I cannot make it. Faith passed away 2 days ago. Today is Saturday, January 2026. The freeze that Texas rarely gets. And this bird flew right up into where I was at, out here, in the middle of all this. All these places. Even that patio. It's covered. It's covered better than mine. And the bird flew into mine. Right there, he landed right there. The bird landed right there. That bird is fluffed up so much because he's so cold. Bird, I'm gotta go inside. But you can stay on my patio if you can find a place. Oh my gosh. Wow. Who is that, Momo? Who is that, Momo? Is that Faith? Is that Faith, Momo? Is that Faith, Momo? I told Faith, please visit me. And last night I said, please visit me, Faith. Please visit me. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm freaking out right now. I love you, Faith. I love you. If you're visiting me, I love you. I miss you so much. I miss you so much, Faith. Thank you for visiting me. Thank you for visiting me, Faith. Thank you so much, Faith. Oh my goodness. Who's that, Momo? Is that Faith? Is that Faith, Momo? Is that Faith, Momo? I cannot believe this is happening. It is? Is that Faith, Momo? Momo loves Faith, you know. Momo loves Faith. Momo is cold. Come on. I'm sorry, Faith. I have to go inside. Stay warm, please. Stay warm. And thank you for visiting me. Thank you, Faith. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Lord Jesus, for showing me Faith. Okay, let's go change dogs, Momo. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Faith. Thank you, Faith. God bless you, Faith. I love you. I love you, Faith. Oh my goodness. I love you, Faith. Okay, Momo, we have to go in. Come on, Momo. I know. Come on, Momo. I know, Momo, I know. I know, Momo.